Hello, this is the last of the series of videos based on the keynote presentation to the PMI Serbia Chapter Project Society Conference in Belgrade, September 2015. And in fact, it's the video where we look at strategies for virtual team building. One of them is to start with a big bang. In other words, just create a team with people in different places and then try and bring them together. A second one is to establish a core team, a small number of people that may be able to do some of the work, and then once they've got a basis for working together, to invite other people into it. And the third one is to evolve an existing organization and consciously make it more virtual. In my view, the third of those is definitely easier than the first. However, there may be reasons for doing this one. The skills may be available in different places. It may be an issue of time zones. It might be languages to support a help desk. There may be other issues. Maybe one country is particularly skilled in a particular type of service or competence, and it may not be workable just to say everybody must be in one place. But it's definitely a challenge, because the people, they don't know each other, and they are programmed, individuals are programmed culturally in different ways. Maybe a slower but surer way of doing it is to establish a core team to do some of the work, and then to build up the ground rules and the team spirit with this group. Now, when that is moving properly, then you can add other people to the team bit by bit. Now, I've mentioned before that it may make sense to work with teams instead of individuals, because the various nodes of the network will then be in themselves more stable. For example, anybody is going to go on holiday or be ill from time to time and so forth. And if there's a team in each location, it's easier to address these issues. Another way of doing it is to take an existing organization and consciously turn it into a virtual team, or certainly have much more virtual activity. One way of doing this is to bring people's attention to the ground rules, which were probably written in an environment where they were co-located. So actually developing, revising the ground rules in itself is a team building activity to help people move in the right direction. Now, this can be reinforced by people having live meetings wherever possible, maybe piggybacking on other events that are happening within the organization where people would be meeting in any case, but certainly it can work much more easily if people actually have the opportunity to meet each other from time to time. So that's the last of the videos. Thanks very much for your interest, and if you want to follow through on any of these, please be sure to connect with me on LinkedIn or on any of the other ways. Thanks very much.